Over time, engines collect layers of dust, oil residue, and hardened grease. Heat, road conditions, and daily use make these deposits build up even more. This buildup affects the engine's appearance and can even influence performance. That's where the good engine degreaser works effectively. Before starting the cleaning process, ensure the engine has cooled down completely. For added safety, disconnect the battery to prevent any electrical hazards. Introducing Dolphin Engine Degreaser. Spray the degreaser evenly over the engine. Let us sit for 5 minutes. Then, wipe away the dirt with a clean and dry cloth. Dolphin Engine Degreaser not only removes stubborn oil, grease and dirt buildup, but also helps restore and enhance your engine's performance. It delivers powerful cleaning results while remaining safe on rubber, plastic and painted surfaces, keeping your engine looking and running its best.